Hi everyone, welcome to vlog number 2. For today's car maintenance repair, I will be refilling my washer fluid. I had a pop-up in the car that said I was low, so let's go figure out how to do this. With the power of editing, I made this look like I did not run into any problems, but here's how my experience went. Overall, refilling the washer fluid was fairly simple as I expected. However, I did run into one small issue, which was how to pop the hood open. For some reason, I spent the longest time digging through my car for all the buttons and levers that I just could not figure it out. And I just ended up having to watch a YouTube video to show me where that lever is. And eventually I found it, as you can see. I think it wasn't as challenging as I thought it would be. It was just a little more messier than I expected. But honestly, I think that is all due to my bad aim. As you can see, I kind of spilt a little, but it's okay. This is definitely something that I probably would do again when needed. So I'm glad I was able to figure out how to do all of this on my own today. I'd like to add that if you're anything like me and you haven't done this before, I'd say go for it and don't be afraid. It's honestly pretty easy once you do get the hang of it. Just make sure you know how to pop the hood open and make sure you don't spill like me, but if you do, it's also okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to tune in for my vlog number 3. Bye!